Hello friends, welcome once again. Myself Madhukar Ature, Center Head of Tulsi Institute of Computer Technology. Yesterday's video was posted by me. It was just an introduction and my first video where I spoke for 5 minutes without stopping or not knowing what to talk. But today I will specifically talk with you, share my a small journey that is of learning many things as we all are learning in our day-to-day life. So while running the center of Tulsi Institute of Computer Technology, my business, many things like each person, I was too working hard to make my business grow and help my learners learn more and more. In this journey, a turning point came in the form of COVID-19, and it has affected everyone throughout the world, not just India or Maharashtra or Aurangabad, but all over the world was disturbed. But what I learned, actually I too was a positive patient of corona. I was 10 days in hospital, where actually a turning point came to my life. I started learning online. Actually I am you can say I like to learn new things, and I always keep watching videos of others on YouTube while others just watch the songs or movies. But from the beginning I use the internet for learning, and yes, internet is a very good thing to learn new things. So when I was in hospital and I was with my mobile and nothing else, because I was actually with my father, mother and my grandmother. So we all four were there in hospital, and we were taking care of each other. It was tough time, but somehow when I felt a little bit okay with my health, and saw that my father, mother and my grandmother are also out of danger and they are recovering. So I in last 4-5 days I started I thought what to do while sitting just here for more 5 to 10 days. So I started learning from internet. I watched many videos of Mr. Vivek Bindra sir. He is also a great motivational speaker and has awesome content in his videos, which is very useful for the students and for the businessmen who want to grow their business. So it was very inspiring, and by sitting and watching the videos I felt like yes, I too can do some great things in life. And so and after that, when I came home and started doing business was not there actually, because as a routine the business was not running as smoothly as before corona. Everything has changed. Students were hesitating to come to class, but rather than we tried, and somehow it was going smooth. Learners started joining courses and we started teaching that with them, and in that period I managed to create my team. I will surely bring them to meet you soon. And after that I also joined Rahul Bhatnagar's course of communication skill, where I got to learn many skills which are needed to be a successful person in life. There is actually an 80-20 rule which says whatever hard skill you have, hard skill is what? Hard skill is whatever education you have. You have suppose a pharmacy degree, suppose you are an engineer by profession or by education. So this thing is there, that is known as your hard skill. Okay, maybe your hard skill is that you can your drawing is good, that is to your hard skill. Your voice is good, you can speak fluently in English or Marathi even, so that is your hard skill, that is your core skill. But to get a good job or start learning for and these things, it is very much needed that you have to be good at communication skills and soft skills, right? So only 20% of your hard skill and all the rest of 80% is that your soft skill and soft skill and communication skill, which will help you to get a good job or run your business in a proper way. मराठीत आपण म्हणतो ना की बोलणाऱ्याचे कुळीतही विकल्या जातात, तर तशा पद्धतीने ॲक्च्युली दॅट इज द वे यू मस्ट बी एबल टू स्पीक in front of people. You must be able to express your feelings in front of people. So that was a very turning point. I learned many things, but then also I was a little bit hesitating to face the camera and make videos, but I really understood that it is the future. If you don't make videos, you will not be you cannot be a successful person. You must have that quality of making videos to share your knowledge, whatever, or even just express. We have seen that many people whom we didn't know, or they are not famous on TV, or they are not any celebrity or anything, but just as they are able to make videos, even TikTok video or something else like that, comedy videos, they get to many peoples, they become viral and they earn their income from that too. So I was thinking that why I have the knowledge, I have taught more than 2,000 to 3,000 students in last 10 years. I have taught them Word, Excel, PowerPoint, means MSCIT course, Tally course, DTP. I have taught them these courses, and but when I thought to express myself here, so this journey of new video making has started. So Rahul Bhatnagar sir taught me about communication skills, how to express your feelings and all these things. And after that, video making was another concept for me, and for that I joined Purushottam Hambade sir's video making mastery course. And yes, the results are in front of you. I am very much, you may not be noticed that, but but me as a learner, I would say, as a learner, I have been learning many things, and that learning has brought me till here, that I am able to stand in front of this camera, looking at you, and just expressing myself, whatever I am. And actually, it's over 8 minutes now. The task in the video making mastery course is that you have to speak more, means next 10 days or next 15 days, or actually it is a challenge of 30 day challenge, where I have to make videos regularly. So this was a second video, and the journey is going on. Hope you find some improvement in this video. And actually this video is not structured, not planned. It is just I came down and in my office, and just I had given the commitment, right? You must be committed, and you must be ready to do whatever it takes, right? You must be ready to whatever it takes to get successful in your life. So only that thing, keeping in mind, I am making this video. Hope this video is anyhow somehow helpful for you. This is here I am not sharing any kind of knowledge. I am just expressing myself however it comes from within. But in future I am planning to make some courses where I will teach English to students. I will teach Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these basic office skills, means which are needed for every person If you want to do a good job in an office, sitting in front of a computer, you must know Word, Excel and PowerPoint. These are the basic. You may be a designer, you may be an financial expert, or you may be a doctor, engineer, whatever field you are working in. If you are using computer for your work, you must be able to work with Word, Excel and PowerPoint, these three softwares. So I will be making videos for that course, or teaching you that things. So be with me in this journey. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.